There are new advancements in cosmetic, facial, and body surgeries where patients are now enjoying easier and almost painless procedures. Here to tell us how easy extended local anesthesia can work for us is Dr. Andrew Wolin with the Wolin Plastic Surgery Center. Good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning. Great to see you.
So what is this easy extended local anesthesia you've been talking about?
Well, what I've been trying to do is make it easy for people to have cosmetic procedures without the hubbub and the problems with a big general anesthetic, going to sleep, having all of that recuperation, trying to get all that drug out of their system. So what I've been doing is I've been using a local anesthetic, a little bit of help with the local in terms of a little bit of other medicine, but the patients have the procedures and they get up off the table and they walk out the door. It's been just fantastic.
So how does this surgical procedure make it not only easier but safer for patients?
Well, I'm really all about safety, and I think that doing the procedures with the least amount of drug and also extending the time after the procedure by using medicines that cause a loss of pain in either the breast or the face, it makes it very easy for people to do this. And people who just did not want to get involved with it because of the fears, it takes the fear level down and it becomes a much more relaxing type of procedure.
So what kind of treatments or procedures can you do with this?
Truthfully, there are so many different things that we can do. I do everything in the face and everything in the breast doing this. I mean, I take fat from different areas of the body and I put it in the face to regenerate the face. I do this.
So a fat transfer, and we have some video of that as well.
Absolutely, and the fat transfer is fantastic to do under this technique. Here is the fat just being spun after I've harvested it from, usually I take it from the outer thigh of the patient, and then I take it and I inject it in the patient's face. And I think on the next picture you'll see, oh, there's the fat, but here you'll see somebody who we took that fat and we completely regenerated the majority of her face. She also had a lift of her neck, but most of what you see there is really just sculpting with this fat material that really is spectacular. And when we're done, the patients just kind of get up and they just walk off the table. It's been an amazing revolution in delivering this type of stuff.
Let's talk about pain. How does that play a part in it?
Well, a lot of people also don't want to do procedures, not because they're going to be under a general anesthetic or whatnot, but also because they're afraid of the pain.
Waking up to that pain.
Yes, and there are products now that I use that are extended local anesthetics where I can inject them at the end of the procedure and get 24 to 48 hours worth of anesthesia. In terms of when we do breast augmentations, I inject this. Patients go home, and all the women that said, oh, I couldn't lift my hands for a week, suddenly they're going, whoa, I feel great. Now, this is somebody who came in. The augmentation takes less than an hour to do, and we inject the patient with this long-term 24 to 48-hour anesthetic. They get up, they walk off the table, they go home. I have to stop them from doing too much because they say,
I feel so good.
I feel so good. It's just fantastic. This is really revolutionizing the way that this type of surgical surgery is delivered, and it's safe. It's less drugs. It's safe, so it works just fantastically well.
So why aren't all the surgeons out there doing this technique?
Truthfully, I don't know. I was going to ask you the same question. Because it was take me, I've been doing this for over 30 years, not this technique, and I've developed into it, and I really wonder why everybody really doesn't go that route. The patients love it, and it's just excellent. I think this is the only way to deliver what you can deliver with plastic surgical procedures, doing it this way. Safe, quick, efficient, less cost. I mean, great recoup. How can you beat it?
Yeah, it's so interesting. Dr. Wolin, thank you so much. Every time you come in, I learn so much. And if you'd like to learn more about the Wolin Plastic Surgery Center, just visit their website, awolin.com, or call the number you see right there on your screen.